dahil dalawa-dalawa na yan.
Now, I'd like to inform everybody and the students. The Beta Sigma fraternity actually is supporting our thesis presentation today by giving recognition to the best thesis. So they will be, actually this is symbolical, they will be getting cash awards which will be given on during the graduation.
Wow.
I don't know if the Beta Sigma representative is here.
Pera ito, pera.
Beta Sigma representative. Okay, maybe Nicolaico can just assist me.
Siyempre din ako nagbago ng angulo din.
The Beta Sigma fraternity, in coordination with the Department of Visual Communication, presents this award of recognition to Christian Francisco for his outstanding performance in the creation of his graphic thesis given this 20th day of March 2007.
Wala pa yung pera.